Meanwhile, a top Bay Area health expert says that we still have a ways to go before we start easing restrictions. KPIX 5's Devin Fehely has that part of the story for us. Devin?
Yeah, the good news is that the shelter-in-place order and the sacrifices that we're all making are actually working. But the bad news is there is no apparent end in sight.
I think that if we just lifted the shelter in place and went back about our business, we'd be right back where we were very, very quickly.
Dr. Clara County says the shelter-in-place order slowed the spread of the virus, prevented hospitals from being overwhelmed, and ultimately saved lives, but cautioned that more time is needed to truly get a handle on the outbreak.
We are by no means out of the woods. We're still probably at the beginning of what is going to be a very long marathon here in the county.
Dr. Cody says we'll need much more testing before restrictions can be eased and the economy reopened.
I love my job. It's my passion. And to have it go away overnight is really hard to sort out.
We first spoke to Glenn Talega in early March as the outbreak sent an economic ripple effect through the convention industry, with cancellation after cancellation. And he fears his industry will be slow to recover even after the emergency order is lifted.
It's a silent killer, and that's the hard part about it. We have asymptomatic people out there, and we don't know who they are.
Talega says he understands the shelter-in-place order is designed to protect people's health, but worries about their emotional and financial well-being just as much.
You get stir-crazy sitting inside too much. And, you feel like you really want to see people. You haven't missed a hug so much,
Dr. Cody is prescribing patience, and the president's comments to the contrary says she will decide when it's safe to lift the restrictions.
Health officers in California have quite a bit of power and authority to protect the health of the population.
The current shelter-in-place order is in effect until May 3rd. Now, Dr. Cody didn't specify a specific timeline today for easing those restrictions, but the general tenor of her comments suggests that this may be our new normal for a while. In San Jose, Devin Fehely, KPIX 5.